So the definition of the Laplace transform. We'll start off with notation here. This is a Laplace transform. It's an L. Sometimes you'll see it with a fancy cursive L. I'm not that fancy, so I just use a capital L. So f at t, little f at t there, is what we're going to start off with. That's your starting function. After it's been transformed, you're going to have capital F at s. So capital F means you've already done your transform. Little f means you haven't done the transform. What is s? Don't know, don't care. Just know that if there is an s, you've already been transformed, and as long as you just keep it in there, treat it like you would any other variable, you'll do just fine. So, and this is the actual definition of the Laplace transform. It's just the integral from 0 to infinity of e to the negative st times little f at t dt. And this just is right from here. So that's pretty easy. Let's look at an example. We have the Laplace of e to the at. So we're going to take our integral here. Integral from 0 to infinity, e to the negative st, that's right from there, times e to the at, that's our f at t. So we can combine those, e to the a minus s times t, and we integrate. And of course you can't integrate to infinity, so you have to take a limit. We've just pulled out that 1 over a minus s, so we're left with e times a minus s times capital T, that's our placeholder for infinity, minus 1. If you take t equals 0, you get e to the 0, which is just 1, so that's where that comes from. So now if you look at this limit, if s is greater than a, you get e to the negative infinity, and that's 0. But if s is less than a, you get e to the positive infinity. It just blows up. You can't really do anything with that. So our answer is going to be only when s is greater than a. So that gives us 0 minus 1. That's just negative 1. So here we get s minus a. Laplace of e, the at equals 1 over s minus a, provided that s is greater than a. So really that's all there is to it. This is just an exercise in integration and limits. As long as you're good with those, you'll have no problem with this definition of Laplace transform. Math isn't so hard when you have the right tutor. Be sure to check out the description for links to other courses and topics. Also remember to tell your friends about the TheKFully channel.